Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice by First, ensure your rice is cold and at least 1 day old. This prevents stickiness. Next, gather and chop all your vegetables, protein, and aromatics before you even turn on the stove. Finally, heat your wok or large skillet until it's smoking hot, as high heat is key for that perfect stir-fry texture and flavor. Once your pan is hot, add a small amount of oil. Cook your chosen protein, perhaps 200 grams of chicken or shrimp, until it's almost fully cooked through, then set it aside. Next, add your harder vegetables like 1 cup of diced carrots and stir-fry for about 1 minute. Then, incorporate softer vegetables, such as 1/2 cup of peas, cooking them briefly until tender crisp. Now, add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Push the rice and vegetables to one side, add a bit more oil, and quickly scramble 2 eggs directly in the pan. Once the eggs are cooked, mix everything together. Pour in your preferred seasonings, like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, tossing to coat every grain of rice. Finally, return your cooked protein to the pan and give everything one last quick toss to combine. Garnish your fried rice with a sprinkle of fresh green onions or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. Serve this amazing dish immediately while it's hot and fresh for the best experience. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.